To start assembling your new following fan, begin by unboxing the package's contents. Inside, you will find the product manual, a bag of assembly screws, the fan pole, a power supply, the fan base, and the fan head. Next, remove the nuts and washers from the screws, align the fan pole with the holes in the base, and place the screws into the holes. While holding the screws in place, flip the base over, place the split lock washer, standard washer, and nut onto each central screw, tightening the nuts by hand as you go. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket to firmly tighten the nuts. Place the base back onto the ground. Twist to loosen the cuff on the fan pole, extend the pole, and tighten the cuff once again. Remove the screw from the base of the fan head. Place the fan head onto the pole, align the holes, and firmly reaffix the screw. Then, unwrap and assemble the power supply. Join and screw together the power supply cables. Finally, plug in your following fan, turn it on, and enjoy any of its 3 different modes. If you move out of sight for too long, the fan will search for you. If it can't find you, the fan will enter smart sleeping mode and will then only turn on when you move back into the frame. Welcome to the Family. We hope you enjoy your new following fan.